Nissan's strategic pivot. Streamlining the portfolio and reviving icons, Nissan has unveiled a sweeping new roadmap designed to modernize its lineup and restore profitability. By showcasing the next-generation X-Trail and Juke SUVs, while teasing the return of the legendary Skyline and Xterra, the automaker is signaling a shift from broad market coverage to a highly disciplined, right-sized strategy. A strategy of right-sizing. The driving force behind these announcements is a necessary correction of Nissan's product aging. CEO Ivan Espinosa admitted that the brand's current portfolio has struggled to keep pace with rapid market shifts. To combat this, Nissan is implementing a rigorous pruning process, model reduction. The company will shrink its global model range from 56 to 45 models. Profit-first focus. Nissan will exit low-performing segments, focusing resources only on sectors where they can lead or partner effectively. Categorized growth. The brand has organized its future into 4 distinct pillars: heartbeat models, emotional, high-interest vehicles like the Leaf, Patrol, Z, and the upcoming Skyline. Core models, high-volume staples such as the X-Trail, Qashqai, Sylphy, and Note. Growth models, new electric and hybrid ventures, including the NX8 electric SUV and Frontier Pro plug-in hybrid. Partner models, vehicles developed through strategic alliances, such as the new electric Micra. The return of the icons. Skyline and Xterra. Despite the downsizing, Nissan is making surgical strikes to revive its most prestigious nameplates. The Skyline and GTR. Nissan teased a new generation of the Skyline, describing it as a heartbeat model. While details remain scarce, early glimpses suggest a premium sports car positioning intended to sit alongside the Nissan Z. This move is complemented by the confirmed resurrection of the GTR, while the two will coexist. Internal sources suggest the GTR will remain a dedicated Halo supercar, while the Skyline focuses on a more accessible, premium sports driving experience. The Xterra off-roader. In a move aimed at the North American market, Nissan will revive the Xterra. This rugged SUV is expected to utilize a body-on-frame construction, a traditional off-road, necessity-powered by a V6 petrol-electric hybrid engine developed through a strategic partnership. New generation SUVs. X-Trail and Juke. The unveiling of the new SUV models highlights Nissan's aggressive push toward electrification. The 2027 X-Trail, the next generation X-Trail, known as the Rogue in North America, features a bolder, more aggressive design with a triangulated grille. A significant takeaway for markets like Australia is the heavy emphasis on e-power technology. Electrification focus. There is no indication that non-electrified powertrains will remain in the lineup. Standard tech. The e-Power hybrid system and the E4 ORS all-wheel drive system are expected to become standard features, moving away from the mixed petrol hybrid offerings of the current generation. The new Juke. The redesigned Juke is being positioned as a Europe-focused model, characterized by sharper lines and a more muscular, pumped-up aesthetic compared to its predecessor. While it retains its signature rounded headlights, the overall design has moved toward a more angular, aggressive look. The bottom line, Nissan is moving away from trying to be everything to everyone. By cutting underperforming models and doubling down on electrified core models and enthusiast, heartbeat icons, the company aims to trade sheer volume for higher margins and brand relevance.